class. So what we discussed yesterday?
Ma'am, tenses.
Yes, we discussed about tenses and in tenses actually, however we started tenses yesterday, but we were confused about subject and objects, so we discussed the subjects and objects. Now basically we are starting for tenses. Fine. Yesterday we talked that what is the tense divided, how many categories, how many parts we are having in tense. First is present tense, second one is past tense, third one is future tense. We discussed yesterday. We will not waste much time about this. Present, past and what is third?
Future tense.
Future tense.
Yes. Have we discussed their subparts also? Have we discussed their subparts?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. We discussed their subpart. Means each tense
ma'am.
are divided into 4 subparts that were simple present, present continuous, present past and present perfect and present perfect continuous. In the same way, past is also divided into 4 subparts. What were they? क्या था वो?
Simple present.
Simple past.
हाँ जी. Yes.
Continuous past. Past continuous.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
And perfect continuous. And
Yeah.
Past
Perfect
perfect,
continuous.
past perfect, continuous.
देखिए, फर्स्ट वन वॉज सिंपल प्रेजेंट, सेकेंड वन वॉज प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूस,
ma'am, third present perfect.
जस्ट ए सेकेंड. Someone is waiting in the waiting room. Third one was present perfect. And fourth one was present perfect continuous. This one was the main actually subdivision of one tense only. The subdivision of past is simple past, past continuous, past perfect continuous. The subdivision of future tense is simple future, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. These were the main classification and sub classification of each and every tense. So, is there any doubt about these classifications?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Now, what we will do? We will discuss one by one. As like first of all, we will discuss about simple present tense. Fine?
Yes.
We are discussing about simple present tense. See, when do we make simple present tense? First of all, we are discussing when do we make. कब बनाते हैं हम? कब बनाते हैं simple present के sentences? See, if we are talking about our daily routine, if we are talking about our habits, if we are talking about any universal truth, if we are talking about any permanent thing. Routine, do we know what is routine?
Ma'am, आदत. जो रोज.
That is not an adat. You cannot say it adat.
Ma'am, habit.
नहीं बच्चे, habit is adat. Habit is adat. What we are discussing first, what is routine? What is routine? The work which we do daily, on daily basis, means from morning to evening. Fine? For morning till evening. As like if I am saying, I get up, I wake up at 4:30, then I brush my teeth, then I rinse my mouth, then I take my breakfast, then I do that, then I do this. Then I worship God, then I take bath. Means that kind of work which I do from morning to evening. That will be called
Routine.
routine. Fine. The second thing is habits. Habits means some of
Adat.
some of us, हम में से कुछ लोग को भी आदत होती है, we always make excuse. हम हमेशा excuse बनाते हैं, हम हमेशा बहाने बनाते हैं. Some of us are in telling lies. Some of us in the habit of telling lies. झूठ बोलने की आदत होती है. So that is called habit actually. The things, the habits which we are having. Fine. Third thing is universal truth. What is universal truth? What is universal truth? The truth that is true in each and every condition, at each and every place. Whether we are sitting in India, whether we are sitting in America, whether we are sitting in China. But the truth that is true at each and every place, and that is true in each and every condition. Whether it is night, whether it is day, whatever it is. So, as like if I am saying the sun rises in the east, is it a universal truth or not? The sun rises in the east.
Yes,
Is it
ma'am.
a universal truth? Yes. Yes, it is a
Ma'am.
universal truth because the sun always rises in the east. It cannot rise from west. Fine. Next thing, permanent. Permanent thing. What is permanent actually? The things, the work which we do but we do not do daily. Which we do not do daily. ऐसे काम जो हम रोज नहीं करते बट करते तो हैं. As like if I am ask you that do you eat pizza? क्या आप पिज्जा खाते हो?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Some of you. Fine. What is my next question? Do you eat pizza daily?
No, ma'am.
No,
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. Once in a week, once in a month, ऐसे ही खाते हैं हम. Fine. अगर हम बात करें, as like I give you an example. As like my mother lives in Haryana. हरियाणा में रहती है मेरी mother. Can I go daily to meet her?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No.
Ma'am.
Whenever I get chance, जब भी मेरे को chance मिलता है, जब भी मुझे मौका पड़ता है, then I always go there. Means once in a year. It can be once in a year. It can be twice in a year. It can be thrice in a year also. But I do that work. Means कभी कभी करती हूँ. 6 month में एक बार करती हूँ. 3 month में एक बार करती हूँ. Once in a month करती हूँ. Once in a week करती हूँ. जो भी काम मैं करती हूँ, चाहे वह वो रोज नहीं कर रही लेकिन कर रही हूँ, that will be categorized in permanent thing.
Permanent.
Got it? Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
So,
No, ma'am.
So when we talk about these 4 things, we make simple present sentences. When we talk about these 4 things, we make simple present sentences. Okay, now we will discuss how do we make simple present sentences. अभी तक तो हमने ये डिस्कस किया था कि कब बनाते हैं. अब ये डिस्कस करेंगे कि कैसे बनाते हैं. देखिए, yesterday we talked about how many subjects are there in English grammar. How many subjects are there? Yesterday we talked about. Can anybody tell me? These were
What, ma'am?
how many subjects we are having.
I, we, you, they,
हाँ जी.
It.
he,
These are the subjects in English grammar. Fine. In English, these are the subjects only. Except these, no subject is there in English grammar. Except these. इन सभी के अलावा English grammar में English में कोई subject नहीं होता है. Subject is called the doer. The doer of any action. That will be called subject. Got it? Now we are discussing how do we make the sentences in English grammar. How do we make the sentences of simple present. हम ये बात कर रहे हैं कि simple present के sentences कैसे बनाते हैं. हमने अभी डिस्कस किया कि कब बनाते हैं. That is clear now. How do we make when we are having subjects like I, we, you, they? We use verbs first form. वर्ब की फर्स्ट फॉर्म यूज करते हैं आई वी यू दे के लिए और देन द सेंटेंस कैन बी मेड फॉर सिंपल प्रेजेंट. बट इफ वी आर हैविंग सब्जेक्ट्स लाइक इफ he she it name we use verbs first form.
Ma'am, S and yes.
Yes beta, plus s or es.
Yes.
Are you getting? When we are having he she it name, then we will use verbs first form plus s or es. As like if I am saying I keep fast on
It's
Diwali. Fine. I keep fast on Diwali. मैं दिवाली पर व्रत रखती हूँ. But if I am saying my mother keeps fast on Diwali. See, I keep. I am not using any s or es. But if I am talking about my mother, I am using s here. Are you getting my point? What I told you about according to the rules. According to the rules, what is correct? With IVU they we will use only and only verbs first form. With he she it name we will use verb first form plus s and es also. That is what we are doing. हम यही तो कर रहे हैं जो हमने रूल में लिखा है. Is it clear?
yes, ma'am.
If
Yes,
you are
ma'am.
saying, if you are saying, अगर आप बोल रहे हो कि मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ, what you will say? What will you
I
say?
go.
I
Go to school.
I go to school.
I go to school. Fine. But if you are saying मेरे पापा ऑफिस जाते हैं.
My father go to school.
Ma'am, my father's
My father goes to
school.
goes to
office.
office. Goes. मेरे पापा ऑफिस जाते हैं. My father goes to office. I think आपको क्लियर हो चुका है. What is the difference while making the sentences with I V U they और he she it name? He she it name के लिए sentences अलग तरह से बनते हैं और I V U they के लिए sentences अलग तरह से बनते हैं when we are talking about simple present. So this much is clear to you people?
Yes, ma'am.
Any
Yes, ma'am.
confusion? Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
No. Right now,
No,
see,
ma'am.
this we were discussing about the declarative sentences. Declarative is called simple sentences when we are making positive sentences. Positive means no negation is there, no interrogation is there. कोई interrogation नहीं है इसमें, कोई negation नहीं है. Interrogation means what is interrogation? When we are asking something. Negation means when we are denying something. Denying means जब हम किसी काम के लिए मना कर रहे हैं. So ना तो कोई इसमें इंटेरोगेशन है ना ही कोई नेगेशन है. ओके, दिस वर द पॉजिटिव सेंटेंसेस. यू कैन कॉल देम डिक्लेरेटिव आल्सो. तो इस तरह के सेंटेंसेस को जिसमें जस्ट एन इंफॉर्मेशन दी गई हो कोई भी कि मैं इतने बजे उठता हूँ, हम ये करते हैं, तुम वो करते हो, वो ये करते हैं, whatever it is. We are giving just an information. Now we are moving to question mark sentences, means interrogative sentences and negative sentences. We will discuss about them. Fine. Right now we are discussing about simple present के बारे में बात कर रहे थे हम. एक सेकेंड. We were discussing about simple present sentences. Okay. Now we have discussed about declarative sentences. Declarative, is the declarative sentences clear to you people? Should we move to interrogative and negative sentences?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So see, I go for morning walk. I am saying like that. I go for morning walk. If I am asking you the same question, how I will ask? मैं अपने बारे में बता रही हूँ. I go for morning walk. मैं morning walk के लिए जाती हूँ. लेकिन अगर मैं आपसे पूछ रही हूँ, how will I ask? क्या आप morning walk के लिए जाते हैं? तो I will ask, do
Do
you
you
go?
go for a morning walk?
Do you?
Go to morning walk.
Do you go for
Do you
morning
go for
walk?
morning walk?
For morning walk.
Do you go for morning walk? Fine. Means we will use do for asking question. If we are having subjects like I, we, you and they, we will use do for asking question. If we are having subjects like I, we, you, they, we will ask a question, we will make a question with do.
Do.
Is it clear? And
Yes, ma'am.
See, I asked you a question. मैंने आपसे एक क्वेश्चन पूछा. Do you go for morning walk? अब देखिए, we are having 9 or 10 students. We are having more than that also. So some of you may be going for morning walk and some of you may not be going. Is it or not? Is it?
Yes, ma'am.
So the student who
Yes,
is
ma'am.
going, जो जाता है, वो बोलेगा I go for morning walk. Yes, I go. Yes, I go for morning walk. But the student who do not go, वो बोलेगा I do not go. Means if you are asking question with do, when you are making negative sentence, then you will use do not. Are you getting my point? If you are
Yes, ma'am.
starting
Yes, ma'am.
question from do, and if you want to give a negative answer, then you will use do not. That is the main thing. But if you are giving a positive answer, then just you will say yes I go. Yes, I go for morning walk. This was the question. But next thing, if you are having subjects like he, she, it, and name.
Ma'am, does.
So we will
Ma'am,
ask
does.
a question like, does he help you? Does he help you? We are asking like that. Does he help you? क्या वो आपकी मदद करता है? अब ये he जो है, ये कोई भी हो सकता है. It can be your brother. Fine. It can be your friend also. If you are saying yes he, what I should use here?
Ma'am.
Yes he
Helps me.
helps me. Helps. हमने helps क्यों यूज किया? बताइए. हमने help क्यों नहीं यूज किया? Why did we use help only?
मैम क्योंकि ही के साथ में हमेशा एस आता है.
Yes, that is the correct answer actually. He जो है ये third person singular है. He is third person singular. That's why we are using s or es with it. Fine. But if we are saying he doesn't help, नहीं वो मेरी help नहीं करता, तो you will say he doesn't help me. Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
He
ma'am.
doesn't help me.
Yes.
वो मेरी हेल्प नहीं करता. If we are asking question with does, we will make negative sentence with does not. Got it? But if we are making question from do, we will make negative sentence from do not. If we are making with does, we will make negative sentence with does not. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt related to simple present?
No, ma'am.
This was all about simple present. And if you are having any doubt, if you are having any confusion, you can ask me right now. Nobody is having doubt. So this much is enough for today, and we will continue our class tomorrow related to
Okay,
the
ma'am.
chemistries. It can be related.
Okay, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye. Bye bye, beta.
Okay,
Thank
ma'am.
you, ma'am, for teaching us.
Yeah, welcome, welcome.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, bye bye,
Bye, ma'am.
bye.
Thank you, ma'am, for teaching us.
Thank you.